In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and understand your Squarespace analytics. This is a crucial tool for any website owner as it offers insights into your visitors' behavior, where they come from, and what they're most interested in on your site. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions to grow your online presence. First off, let's dive into how you can access these analytics. The journey begins with a visit to Squarespace. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on this to proceed. For those of you using Google accounts to streamline your online activities, Squarespace has made it easier. Click on Continue with Google to use your Google account for a hassle-free login process. Simply select the Google account you wish to use if you have more than one. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to your specific website. You might be managing more than one Squarespace site, so make sure you select the correct one. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to look for the Analytics section. This is typically located at the bottom of your dashboard. However, layouts might slightly differ depending on updates and your specific website setup. When you find the Analytics tab, click it to open the wealth of data Squarespace collects about your website. You'll be greeted with several options, each offering different insights. For starters, let's click on Traffic. This area is fascinating as it shows how many people are visiting your site, what pages they're viewing, and how long they're staying. This can be a real eye-opener into the most engaging content on your site. Next, you might be curious about how these visitors are finding your website. That's where traffic sources comes into play. Click on it to reveal whether your traffic is coming from search engines, social media, direct links, or other sources. This helps you understand which marketing channels are most effective for your site. Another intriguing section is Search Keywords. Clicking here unveils what terms people are typing into search engines to find your site. This information is pure gold for optimizing your content to ensure you're meeting the needs of your audience and attracting more visitors through search engine optimization, SEO. Lastly, for a global perspective, click on Geography. This section breaks down your traffic by country and region, giving you insights into where in the world your audience is coming from. This can be particularly useful for targeted marketing efforts or understanding the global appeal of your content. To wrap things up, navigating Squarespace analytics might seem daunting at first, but once you familiarize yourself with the various sections and what they offer, it becomes an invaluable tool in your digital toolkit. Remember, the key to making the most of this information is to regularly check your analytics, look for patterns, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Whether it's tweaking your content, focusing on specific marketing channels, or targeting new geographic locations, your Squarespace analytics are there to guide you every step of the way. Happy analyzing, and here's to your website's success.